last triangle, so we're almost done here. Okay, we have two angles and one side. Side AB is 5 inches, angle B is 90 degrees, and angle C is 30 degrees. Make sure that is correct. So yeah, AB 5 inches, angle B 90 degrees, and angle C 30 degrees. Perfect. Okay. Since we have two angles and we know a triangle is worth, if the triangle has three angles, so remember those three angles have to equal 180. So technically we could skip a little ahead just to have an idea of what our missing angle A should be. So 90 plus 30 gives me 120. And remember, all three angles should equal 180. So if I do 180 minus 120, that gives me 60 degrees. So I need to create a triangle, and hopefully if I figure out the angle A should be 60 degrees. But anyway, let's just jumping ahead. Since we have one side and two angles, this matches kind of like a triangle 1 where we had one side and two angles. So we're not going to be using the compass for this one, we're just going to be using the protractor. So let's get started. AB has to be 5 inches. So I'm going to draw a line that's 5 inches, starting at 0 here. To be 90 degrees. Angle B is going to be 90 degrees. So remember, I didn't say angle A, I said angle B is going to be 90 degrees. So guide the guiding hole with the dot, and guiding line with the line you drew. And it has to be 90 degrees. So 90 would be right here. I don't know how long this line has to be, so I'm just going to draw a line connecting those points. This is going to be, I just know that somewhere along this point we're going to have point C. Next thing, let me see, I have another angle C. You know what? I'm going to use angle A because I know that it has to be 60 degrees. Remember, I did the math. 90 plus 30 are the angles that I know. That equals 120. And when I subtracted 180 minus 120, that gave me 60. So by knowing that all three angles of a triangle have to equal 180, if I'm given two of the angles, 60 and 30, then I add those two together. That gives me 120. And then I subtract that from 180 and it gives me 60. So technically, even though I didn't know it, just from my common knowledge of triangles, the three angles of a triangle equal 180. I know that my angle A should be 60 degrees. So for that reason, yes, it wasn't originally given, but since I know my information about triangles, I know that this angle here has to be 60 degrees. The reason I'm going to jump to this one is because since I don't know where my point C is going to be, I can't really draw 30 degrees for point C. So I'm actually going to jump to A because using my knowledge of triangles, I was able to figure out that that should be 60 degrees. So match your guiding hole with the pole again, guiding line with your line, and it's going to be 60 degrees. So I'm drawing a line connecting here. I kind of messed up because it looks like this line is going to be this triangle's gonna be really, really big. So I'm just gonna use this instead. Don't worry about it, don't freak out. Just do it really quickly. So you know that's 5 inches here. Dot, guiding line with the line. Guiding line with my line. Make sure both guiding hole and guiding line match my dot and my line. And measure 60. 60 is going to be right here. So, if you look, you're going to see that eventually it's going to connect at a point. So that's good that I drew my line very well. So, I'm drawing a 60 degree. So basically, I'm going to draw this line, make sure it's straight all along, all the way to connecting to this other line right here. So there's going to be a big triangle right here. Should be 30 degrees. So all I'm going to do is check to make sure that this angle here actually turns out to be 30 degrees. So this point where both lines touch is my dot, I'm sorry. Match that dot with the guiding hole, match the line you drew with your guiding line, and I want to see if you could tell, but it is perfectly exactly 30 degrees. So I did it correctly because that's how much it should be. Angle C was supposed to be 30 degrees when I measured it. It was 30 degrees. So just to be safe, 90 plus 30, 120. 120 plus 60 give me my magic 80 degrees. So I know I did it right. So all you're going to have to do now is measure how long this line is. To me it's looking like it's 10 inches. I'm going to help you with, I'm going to give you the measurements of this one, but it looks like I have 10 inches, so you can check it. So 9.75 pages. done. What I need you to do now is cut each triangle. So each little triangles. So a small triangle. Then you cut this triangle out. Then you cut this triangle out. Then you cut this triangle out. And all you're gonna do is put that on construction paper or put it on a poster board with the measurements that you've discovered. And actually, you put the measurements in here too. So put all the measurements, all 6 measurements. What each 3 of the 3 sides equaled and what each of the 3 angles equaled. And there you go. That is your product. Remember, you can hit me up in Edmodo or email me at ask me in class. Just remember, on B days, you guys have until Thursday the 14th to finish this project, and A days you have till Friday the 15th. That's it. That easy product. I hope it was fun for you guys, and that's it. Bye.